Good day to all of you, my fellow chess players. Today, let's see one of the intense matches in the 83rd Tata Steel 2021 between Caruana and Duda. We know that they have a lot of exciting and challenging games. But let's see this one, the latest. Without further ado, let's go now to the game. Caruana played e4. Then e5, knight f3, knight f6, Petrov defense. Knight takes e5 as the main line, d6, knight f3, knight takes e4, knight c3. We know that this is the favorite of Caruana, and they have a lot of games in this variation. Knight takes c3, d takes c3. Now the two bishops ready to develop. Bishop e7, preparing to castle. Bishop e3. Now white plan is to castle queenside and to attack the black king if he castle at the king side. Knight d7, queen d2, castle, castle. Now white plan is to attack pawn storm at the king side. Knight f6, bishop d3, then c5. This is the main line, and they have a game with this variation. Then Caruana played RHG1, a novelty. They have a game, and Caruana played RHE1. This is the last game they had. RHE1, bishop e6, then a3, c4, bishop f1, knight e4, queen e2, d5, bishop d4, b5, knight d2, knight d6, g3. And the game went on draw. That's why Caruana divert with rook hg1 novelty, and good move, planning with g4, then g5, pawn storm. After rhg1, b5, attacking at the queen side. And the challenging in this position is, which is faster, white or black? And we know that, is it okay to give up a pawn for sacrifice? g4 the same. Gambit. Black can easily capture the g4 pawn either with knight or with bishop, but the g file will become open and subject to white attack and initiative. Bishop b7, very useful in that diagonal, and attacking the knight at f3. Then queen e2, protecting the knight. c4, expanding, then attacking the bishop. Bishop f5, rook e8. Black can do g6, but this bishop can be given for white attack to open the g file. Knight d4, very useful square for the white knight. And controlling the b5 and f5 square. The same time the c6, very useful. And also for e6, knight d5. The engine suggested g6, but let's continue with the game. Knight e6 initiative. If black capture, then bishop capture check, then king h8, bishop takes d5, then one pawn up, queen a5, counter-attack. Best defense is counter-attack. Attack the a2 pawn and the c3, possibly. If knight capture, then queen takes later on. Queen f3, that is good move. And if knight moves, then the queen can capture the bishop at b7. And this is a very interesting position, very complex. Black can easily capture the pawn at a2 or simply defends with g6. If capture immediately, that is bad move. White can simply capture the pawn at h7, check, king takes h7, queen takes f7. Then the threat is queen takes g7 or rook g3, then rook h3 to checkmate. Then let's go back to queen f3. Good move. Duda played bishop f6, securing first the safety of his king and blocking the possible threat of white queen at f7. g5, then continue to attack. This one is a good move. Then bishop takes c3, counter attack, because retreating is a waste of time. As I told earlier, the white plan is bishop takes h7 followed by queen takes f7. That's why time is very important in this game. Bishop takes h7 check, king takes h7, then g6, good move. If capture with queen takes f7, then queen takes a2, and the bishop is protecting the pawn at g7. White cannot checkmate at g7. Then if g6, king h8, and white don't have immediate check. After queen a2, b takes c3, queen a3 check, king d2, queen takes c3, king c1, queen a1, king d2, queen c3 check, king c1, queen a3, king d2, then queen c3, draw. But g6 is a good move. Let's go back to g6 after king h7. Then force f takes g6. If king h8, king g8 is a blunder because of g takes f7 check, then king h7, checkmate at queen h3. Then queen h5, king g8, g takes f7 checkmate, the same, and f takes g6 is forced, and the game went knight g5 check, king h8, bishop d4, good move, because the bishop is protecting the g7. That's why bishop is blocking the black bishop in controlling the g7. Bishop takes d4, rook takes d4, knight f6, queen takes b7, rook a to b8. Capturing with queen takes a2 is a bad move because of rook h4. Then knight e5, knight e6. The plan is queen takes g7 checkmate and knight is pinned. After rook a b8, queen f7, r e1 check, queen takes a2 is wasting of time because of rook h4 check. Then rook d1, rook takes g1, rook takes g1, rook e8, planning to checkmate in the first round by rook e1. Rook takes e1, queen takes e1, knight e6, blocking at the same time checkmating at g7. Rook takes e6, queen takes e6, queen takes a2. This is very challenging because black has no option. He is forced to capture the knight at e6, and the material is even, but rook is rook, especially if the king is exposed. Queen h3 check, king g8, queen e6 check, king h7, queen h3 check, king g8, queen a3, queen takes a3, b takes a3. Again, the position is slightly better for white, but the way we play this one is very critical. The material is even, but again rook is rook, and black pawn is double. King f7, protecting the pawn at g6, king d2, king must be active in the endgame, a6, securing the b5 pawn, king e3, knight d5 check, again king d4, a logical move, knight e7, rook e1, king e8, a4. This one is suggested by engine before rook e1 because again time is gold. King d7, a takes b5, a takes b5, rook g1. Again suggested by engine is king c3. Move to b4, and the king cannot protect because the knight is under threat by rook. Black first need to move the knight before protecting the pawn at b5. But after knight d5 check, king b2, the idea is king a3, then king b4 attacking the pawn at b5, and rook g1 attacking the pawn at g6 or rook e6, attacking the pawn at g6 or rook e7, depending on the circumstance. Then after rook g1, king c6. Now black can protect the pawn on time. h4, knight f5 check, king c3, knight takes h4, king b4, knight f3, rook takes g6, then knight d4, good move. Attacking the pawn and moving away the king at b4, c3, knight e2, rook takes g7, knight f4. The threat is knight d5, king a3, knight takes c3, king a5, knight e2, king b4, knight f4, king a5, knight e2, king b4, and the game ended because giving up this pawn is dangerous. That's connected pass pawn. Very thrilling and very exciting game for both of them. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.